Hi everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. The holidays are here, that fun time of the year filled with laughter, cozy gatherings, and of course amazing food. So today we will be making my peach crumble bars because I love having a few recipes up my sleeve that can work anytime. Something special enough for dessert, but also perfect for a quick festive breakfast with a hot cup of coffee. And these peach crumble bars are buttery, golden, and packed with juicy peaches, and the best part, you can make them ahead, slice them up, and serve them however you like. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients for the recipe. Feel free to pause and get them all together. I will also provide a link below, so feel free to check the website if you need to. In a large bowl, combine 3 cups of flour, 1½ cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1½ teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it all together so it's evenly distributed. Next, add our cold cubed butter. Now rub the butter in with your fingers or use a pastry cutter until the mixture looks like coarse crumbs. This is the texture we are looking for, that perfect sandy texture, not too wet or too dry. In another bowl, add 1 egg, 1/3 cup sour cream, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, and whisk it all together until smooth. Now pour that into the flour mixture and gently stir until it comes together into little clumps. This is what's going to give our base that soft, chewy bite underneath all of that peachy goodness. Now take about 3/4 of your crumble mixture and press it into a greased and parchment-lined 9x13 baking pan. Smooth it out evenly and then keep it aside. For our filling, we need approximately 6 cups of chopped peaches. If you are using frozen fruit, let the fruit partially thaw for 10 to 15 minutes. In a separate bowl, mix the chopped peaches with the remaining brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 3 tablespoons cornstarch, and the zest and the juice of 1 lemon. The cornstarch thickens the peach juices so that the bars slice well. If you're using frozen fruit, add 1 to 2 tablespoons extra of cornstarch to absorb the extra moisture. Give it a good stir so everything's coated and glistening. Now spoon that peach mixture over the top, spreading it out evenly. Then sprinkle the rest of the crumble mixture over the peaches. And then finish off with a handful of slivered almonds for that extra crunch and holiday sparkle. Place the tray into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 55 minutes until the top and the edges are golden. Here are the crumble bars straight out of the oven. Let them cool completely. That's an important part because this helps to set them so that you can slice them cleanly. Once they are cool, lift them out using the parchment and then slice them into bars and you're done. These peach crumble bars are everything you want this holiday season: buttery, fruity, and comforting. Serve them warm for dessert with a scoop of ice cream, or grab one with your morning coffee for a sweet start to the day. They're make ahead friendly, travel well, and trust me, they disappear fast at any holiday brunch table. I will include the link to my vanilla ice cream recipe below if you want to serve these with vanilla ice cream. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a little cozy holiday inspiration. Until next time, happy baking and happy holidays!